So, Edward, you're CEO, an award-winning CEO, shall we say, too, of NexTek. Can we rewind the clock back a little and tell me how it started?
So if I rewind the clock back a bit, it has to go to the mid 1990s when I was a professor in a university in Australia, and I was a professor of polymer engineering, which is all
Right.
about how you make plastics and you make plastic products. And we were training engineers to be super efficient at making products for the automotive industry, the packaging sector, the building areas, and so on. So we were doing all these amazing things with a lot of high technology. And of course, I could see in my lectures, I was telling the students how much we're making and so on. And I could see that we're doing very little with many of the materials that were used once and then thrown away off to landfill typically.
Yeah.
So I directed my research into recycling. And this had a fairly big impact because we did a number of things which were quite important. And we developed a machine at one point to sort and separate plastics one from the other. And we did this with a very simple vision system so that we could actually tell from the bottle shape which material it was made from, because we had a library of shapes. This is
Wow.
you might call this the initial artificial intelligence, but that was in 1993. Anyway, but 2 years later, a company was actually using this machine, and they said, we actually need someone to design a whole recycling factory for us. So that meant I had to make a turning point in my career, leaving the university, going to work with this recycling company, and I was there for 7 years. And one of the last assignments I did there was